Hi, I'm Anita of My Duke and I podcast, and welcome back to the channel. Hope everybody's having a wonderful day. Well, today we're diving into Prince Harry's ongoing legal battle with the British tabloids, and rightfully so. Specifically, his upcoming trial against the Sun newspaper. This is a story about privacy, media ethics, and one man's, Harry's determination to hold the press accountable. So let's break it all down. First, let's take a step back and look at the broader context. Prince Harry's legal journey began years ago when he, like many other high profile individuals, became aware of the alleged use of unlawful methods by tabloids to gather private information. We're talking about hacking voicemails, tracking Harry's movement, and even employing private investigators for unethical purposes. For Harry, this isn't just a legal fight, it's deeply personal, as he has said. He has spoken passionately about how media intrusion impacted his life, his relationship, and even his mental health. Before we dive into what's ahead, let's recap some of Harry's earlier court cases. The Daily Mirror case. Harry accused the Daily Mirror Group newspaper in MGN of unlawful information gathering. This was one of the most publicized cases as Harry himself took the stand, a rare move for a royal. His testimony was raw, detailing the emotional toll of constant media scrutiny. The Daily Mail case, he also took legal action against the Associated Newspapers, the publisher of the Daily Mail, over libel and privacy issues. One notable victory came when the newspaper published false claims about him cutting ties with the Royal Marines, leading to a retraction and damages. The Sun lawsuit. This brings us to his current battle with News Group newspaper NGN, the publisher of the Sun. Okay, that Sun that this guy was working for. You know who I'm talking about. I don't want to call his name because I don't want to give him any credit. But first initial is D, last initial is W. Harry alleges that they engaged in phone hacking and other illegal activities to obtain private information about him and his family. So, the upcoming trial against the Sun is expected to be particularly intense. Why? Because it's not just about Harry, it's about setting a precedent. This case could redefine how media organizations operate, especially when it comes to the boundaries of privacy and ethical reporting. Now, let's get into the specific. So, the start date, the trial is set to begin in January 2025, and I'm going to be there watching and bringing you guys all what has taken place, what was said, and particularly how the royal family played a role in what has happened to Harry. Okay, so it's going to be on January 25th, and it's expected to last 6 to 8 weeks. And the focus is going to be on Harry's legal team and what they're going to present as evidence of phone hacking and other methods of unlawful information gathering, allegedly employed by the Sun's journalists and investigators. This trial is anticipated to be highly dramatic, y'all. Harry may take the stand again, which would undoubtedly draw global attention, and rightfully so. Okay, only Harry can draw attention to the shenanigans of the British media and shame them like this. So this case isn't just about one man versus a media giant, Harry. Okay, it's about challenging a culture of media intrusion that has affected countless individuals, many of them who've had to drop out of court cases because it's too expensive for them. And Harry has decided to go all the way. So Harry's fight is symbolic of a larger movement advocating for accountability, for ethical journalism. For Harry, a win would mean vindication for sure, and perhaps even some closure. For the press, however, the stakes are enormous for them. A guilty verdict could lead to tighter regulations and more lawsuits from others who have faced similar invasion of privacy. So, as we look ahead to January 2025, oh my goodness, this is coming out funny in my mouth. I'm so unused to saying 2025. Although it's right around the corner. One thing for sure is clear as we look to 2025. This trial will be closely watched by the world. And whether you're a fan of Prince Harry or simply interested in media ethics, this is a story that will shape the future of journalism and privacy rights. Thank you for joining me today as we explored this complex and fascinating case. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe for updates as we follow this legal battle, which is about to take place in January. What are your thoughts on Prince Harry's fight for accountability? Drop them in the comments below. Love each and every one of you guys. Until next time, take care. Bye.